A month ago, state officials requested to pause what's called habeas hearings across Maine. In other words, criminal suspects in Maine who've been waiting too long for a lawyer can be released and have all charges dropped against them. A judge denied this appeal, and advocates say this was the right decision and long overdue.
Justice will not be delayed, and it won't be denied.
Every criminal suspect has the right to a lawyer. But in Maine, some defendants have been waiting months for one. Zach Hayden from the Maine ACLU says the public defender backlog has gotten out of control.
The government is going to have to answer for why they've been locked up, why they can't provide them with a lawyer in violation of their constitutional rights.
On April 7th, I reported on the progress Public Defense Services was making to assign lawyers to defendants still in limbo. According to court paperwork, PDS has a database which keeps track of how many criminal suspects still need one. On March 7th, that number was 85. By a month later, they got it all the way down to 6. By the end of the month, it ballooned back up to 49 people. A PDS official told me then they were trying to chip away at that number.
We in state government know that sometimes things take slightly longer than ideal in terms of logistics.
If the state fails to provide a lawyer within 2 weeks of a suspect's first court appearance, they can be released. And anyone without a public defender for more than 60 days must have their charges dismissed. Hayden says the order to move forward with habeas hearings will restore justice in Maine.
We all have an interest in a functioning criminal legal system. It's supposed to punish people who are guilty and free people who are innocent. But that system only works if people are provided with lawyers.
Criminal suspects who are facing murder charges are exempt from this relief, and the habeas hearings are expected to be scheduled in the next month.